Hey everyone, ever wanted to see yourself as a cartoon, a game character, or a unique avatar? With meta edits, you can turn any selfie into a fun and personalized avatar in seconds. Let's get started. First, launch the Meta AI app on your phone, and then here on the left side of the screen, hit the plus icon to start creating, and choose a photo library and upload a selfie that you want to transform. And here in the prompt box, describe the avatar style that you want, like this example prompt here. And wait for the processing. Give a Meta AI a few seconds to work its magic. And once it's done, you can now check your new avatar and you can revise the prompt if you like it. And you can save and share. And that's it. Just one selfie, one prompt, and one meta edits. You will give you a custom avatar ready to use anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.